Hi there, investors. Are you on the lookout for a promising business opportunity? Well, let me introduce you to the idea of starting a call center in Pakistan. Trust me, the potential here is enormous. First off, let's talk about the benefits. Pakistan boasts a cost-effective labor market. With an increasing number of English-speaking professionals, you'll find a pool of talented individuals ready to work at competitive rates. Imagine the cost savings. Plus, you get a skilled workforce that's eager and driven. Next, the business environment in Pakistan is becoming increasingly favorable. The government is rolling out supportive policies and the infrastructure is on the rise. Not to mention, Pakistan's strategic location offers easy access to both Asian and European markets. It's a logistical dream come true. All right, now let's dive into the essential steps for setting up your call center. Step 1. Conduct thorough market research. Identify your target market and analyze the competition. Understand the demand for call center services in the region. Knowledge is power, after all. Step 2. Develop a rock-solid business plan. Outline your goals, target market, financial projections, and operational strategies. A strong business plan is your roadmap to success. Step 3. Obtain the necessary licenses and permits. Register your business with the relevant authorities and make sure all your paperwork is in order. It might seem tedious, but it's absolutely crucial. Step 4. Find a suitable location. Choose a spot that's easily accessible to your target market and has the infrastructure needed for a modern call center. Location, location, location. It can't be stressed enough. Step 5. Hire and train your staff. Look for qualified individuals with excellent communication skills. Then, provide them with comprehensive training to ensure they're ready to deliver top-notch service. Step 6. Invest in the right technology. Equip your call center with a robust phone system, computers, and the necessary software. Technology is the backbone of any successful call center. Finally, Step 7. Implement quality assurance measures. Establish standards to monitor and improve the performance of your agents. Consistency in quality will set you apart from the competition. By following these steps and leveraging the advantages that Pakistan has to offer, you can establish a thriving call center business. With the right strategy and dedication, your call center can become a valuable asset to your company. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into this opportunity and watch your investment grow. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more insights. Until next time, happy investing!